motorcycle crashing blues. She hit me so hard she done knocked me out of my shoes. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I got some scars I can talk about. She was headed north on the 216. I was headed south on the 216. The roads were clear and the roads were dry. She must have thought it falling from the sky over the handlebars in the blink of an eye. The moment there I was wondering if I knew how to fly. Just when I'm starting to look around, comes a tumbling to the ground. Are you alright? What was the first thing she said? That's when I realized that I wasn't dead. Ambulance I would surely need. Till then I just sit and watch myself bleed. There comes a crashing through the troubadours with a much different view than what I've had before. And I'm looking up instead of looking down. My legs and eyes is really starting to pound. So we're gonna give you something for the pain. Your brain's gonna think he's on a different plane. Morphine, fentanyl, ketamine in. I felt the room do a kaleidoscope spin. Some more. Some of them cuts they go to the core. Your eye is bad, loving now will leave it be. You're gonna need some surgery, so they discharge me 26 hours later. Taught me how to hobble on some crutches and said later skater. A wonderful bride would become my nurse. She did say for better or worse. So that's a tale of motor crashing blues. Currently a life support system for bruise. That I live with a story I can tell. I think they might take me straight to hell.